Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Humankind 2 Roblox. To start, you'll choose a culture, each with distinct advantages like bonus food or stronger military units. Your main goal is to guide your civilization from the ancient era through to the modern age, making strategic decisions along the way. Explore the vast map to find valuable resources and encounter other players or AI. Remember to balance your population growth, resource production, and scientific advancements to ensure a thriving empire. It's all about smart choices and adapting to challenges. Let's dive into the core mechanics. Expanding your empire is crucial. Start with outposts and evolve them into bustling cities to control more territory. Researching new technologies is key to progress, unlocking powerful advancements in every era. You'll also interact with other civilizations through diplomacy, forming alliances or engaging in conflict. Building a strong military is essential for both defense and expanding your influence across the map. Every decision impacts your civilization's future. Effective resource management is vital for success. Focus on food production to ensure your population grows steadily, providing more workers for your cities. Industry is critical for building structures, from basic farms to magnificent wonders, and for training your army. Science drives your technological progress, opening up new possibilities and advancing you through the eras. Don't forget influence, which allows you to expand your territory and implement beneficial civic policies for your people. For advanced play, always adapt your strategy to your chosen culture's unique strengths. For example, an agrarian culture might focus on food, while a militaristic one prioritizes conquest. Use the terrain to your advantage in battles, positioning units on hills for defensive bonuses. Consider specializing your cities. One city could be a science hub, another an industrial powerhouse. Finally, aim for era stars and legacy traits to boost your fame score, which is crucial for achieving victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.